In recent times, I've embarked on a spiritual journey with you all. And whilst on that journey, I've spoken on several different topics as it relates to our spirituality. So, one of my avid listeners asked me to define in my own words what is spiritual maturity. Now, in my own words, spiritual maturity is when you stop trying to change others and focus on changing ourselves. It is when we accept people as they are. It is when we understand that everyone is correct according to their own perspective. It is when you learn to let go. It is when you are able not to have expectations in a relationship, and we give of ourselves for the pleasure of giving. It is when we understand that what we do for our own peace. It is when we stop showing the world how smart we are. It is when we stop showing off, so to speak, on each other. It is when we stop seeking approval from others. It is when we stop comparing ourselves to others. It is when you're at peace with yourself. And everything that I just made mention of, take that with a grain of salt. Because you would have to alter certain things, even shuffle around some, depending on the person that you have to deal with. Because different strokes for different folks. It is when you are able to distinguish between a need and a want, and we are able to let go of that want. And last but most definitely not the least, because in my view, it's the most important, spiritual maturity is gained when we stop attaching happiness to material things. Yeah, man. A word to the wise.